Yep, something definitely leaking. Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we got to get some maintenance done to the wrecker. We've been running her hard and haven't had a chance to do any maintenance. We got something leaking from the front, and we got a tire and wheel that are ready to leave the chat. So we got to address a few things before next weekend. For those of you who think our vehicles never break, you're seriously wrong. We're fixing them all the time. Oh, not good. Well, looks like we're gonna have to rebuild this whole spindle and hub again. Yeah, this is what mud does to things. What's left of the outer bearing. Oh, I don't know if that spindle's any good anymore or not. Well, Mara got the hub all cleaned up. Maybe we can save that. Oh, we gotta get the spindle off here. See if we can still reuse that. Looks like our shaft is okay. Might have caught it in time. Well, it's the next day, and I think we can save the spindle cone. We got bearings, we got races. I even got new nuts, spindle nuts. So I think we can save it. We'll see. Now we got to pound the races out of the hub. That's one. That's two. Okay, now, okay, we gotta have one with a pin in it. Oh, there it is. Right there. Now, we gotta go find a hub. I'm running out of spares. There's what we need. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Looks like we're gonna have to drill heads on that one. All right, we got what we need. All right, we're getting closer. There we go. Look at that. She's functioning again. There, that's one job done. Well, seat cover noticed something else that needs to be fixed. Check this out. Notice something wrong there?
I know what it is.
Yeah, that's right. We got to put in another shackle bolt. So, seat cover found the shackle bolt. She says she wants to fix it.
Yes.
So, all right, we'll let her fix it.
Okay.
First thing is we need to jack it up with the high lift jack because we got to raise the body and let the suspension hang.
Am I good?
Yep. So, no,
Uh-oh, I did something wrong already.
no, it's just, you can't jack it up with, it won't do that.
Oh.
So, it's down right now, so put the handle all the way up.
Ow.
And lift the whole mechanism, no, everything.
Everything?
Everything should slide up.
Oh.
The whole mechanism comes up.
Okay.
Now, we lift this arm up until it clicks. Up until it clicks. Okay, let's see where we're at.
Ooh. It'll work out.
Okay, let's go a little bit more. I think you need a little more.
I need help.
Okay, we got the tension off. Now, just pull that bolt out. Push the shackle. Yep, there we go. It's not going anywhere. All right. And yep, she's broke off. We need a new one.
Okay.
There should be some in the glove box.
All right.
No, they're big long ones. They're in a plastic bag. How long are those? 5 inches? Yep, one of those.
Okay.
And then a 7/16 nut, lock nut. There you go. One of those.
Okay.
Yep, swing that up into place. Put your bolt in.
Does it need a washer or does it just
No.
keep breaking as it circulars heal?
No, it's fine.
Dirt.
Can you put the nut on?
No.
Okay, then you have to pound it through a little further.
Okay, I got the nut on. Not
Okay.
fast, but it's on.
So the nut's on?
Yes.
All right. Now you can tighten it up. You got the wrench on it?
Yep. All good.
Okay. Now I need the hammer.
Oh, sorry.
This jack is still,
Got too much pressure on it.
oh, it's acting up.
It's got.
There we go.
Ooh, get it. Get it. Get it. What is that? That a stick? You got a stick?
Well, now that's done. We only got one more thing. Well, it's definitely a fuel leak. Looks like it's our return line. So we'll have to address that. Good. Okay, watch out. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.